Hello everyone, Maths class 10th. We were doing chapter number 20 of this book, Cylinder, Cone and Sphere, Surface Area and Volume, out of which sphere has now been omitted from the syllabus. So we are supposed to do only cylinder and cone. In my previous video, we have started with surface area and volume of cylinder, and these are the formulas we discussed in the video: curved surface area, total surface area, volume of a cylinder. Then we discussed about hollow cylinder, whose external internal curved surface areas according to the radius, total area. Then volume of material means of किस मटेरियल का एक पर्टिकुलर हॉलो सिलेंडर बना है, आयरन का बना है, आयरन को मेल्ट करेंगे, सो वी हैव टू डील विद वॉल्यूम, एक्सटर्नल वॉल्यूम माइनस इंटरनल वॉल्यूम. देन कैपेसिटी ऑफ अ कंटेनर, एक कंटेनर की कैपेसिटी कितनी है विल बी इक्विवेलेंट टू एक कंटेनर का वॉल्यूम कितना है. सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद द रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज. Question number 11. The height and radius of the base of a cylinder are given in the ratio 3:1. So height is to radius 3:1. So we can take height as some 3x and r as 1x. Now volume of cylinder has been given as 1029 pi centimeter cube. We know volume by the formula also, pi r square h, which is equivalent to 1029 pi. Pi and pi we will cancel. We will not go into the much detail of calculation. जब cancel हो रहा है, so let's do it. R is 1x or x only. H is 3x, 1029. This will be 3x cube 1029, x cube 1029 upon 3. We will cancel them. X cube is 343 and 343 is a cube of 7. So x cube is equals to 7 cube, therefore x is equals to 7. Now what we need to find is total surface area, but after x let us find out h and r. h क्या था 3x, that is 3 into the value of x 21 centimeter, and r is x only, which is 7 centimeter. To find total surface area we will apply it directly 2 pi r h plus r. इसके लिए formulas याद होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. 22 by 7, r is 7, 21 plus 7. Solving all, we will get 1232 centimeter square because it's a area, so unit will be centimeter square. Next is one of the most important questions, because here in the last part we generally get confused. So let's see what is it. Find the minimum length in centimeter. Length we need to find correct to the nearest whole number. So first of all focus करते हैं लेंथ कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे, देन राउंड ऑफ बाद में करेंगे. होल नंबर ऑफ द थिन मेटल शीट रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक अ hollow closed cylindrical box of diameter and height. So for now we have radius 10 centimeter because diameter is 20 and height we have is 35 centimeter. Given that the width of the metal sheet is 1 meter. So again question means there is a metal sheet whose width means the breadth is given as 1 meter, or we may say 100 centimeter because all other units are in centimeter, and also answer also we need to find in centimeter. So it's better to convert 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now using this square metal sheet, इस शीट को यूज़ करके हमें एक hollow cylinder क्रिएट करना है which is covered. Covered का मतलब है top and bottom also covered with this particular sheet only. So in this case, the area of this metal sheet will be same as total surface area of the cylinder. क्वाइट सिंपल. इस शीट को लेकर इट्स लाइक अ गिफ्ट रैप. अगर आपके पास कोई सिलेंड्रिकल मग या कुछ भी ऐसा है गिफ्ट, लाइक अ गिफ्ट पीस, यू आर गोइंग टू रैप इट. आपको उसके सर्कुलर पोर्शन में भी रैप करना है, टॉप में रैप करना है एंड द बॉटम ऑल्सो. एवरीथिंग हैज़ टू बी कवर्ड विद दिस पर्टिकुलर रैपिंग पेपर. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन ये रैपिंग पेपर हमारा एक मेटल शीट है एंड गिफ्ट एक सिलेंडर है, हॉलो सिलेंडर, बिकॉज अंदर कुछ नहीं है, बट इट इज़ कवर्ड फ्रॉम टॉप एंड बॉटम विद द गिवन डायमेंशंस ऑफ आर एन एच. Dimensions of the metal sheet: width is given, length we need to find out. So it is quite clear from here that area of metal sheet, which is rectangular metal sheet, is equals to area, total surface area of cylinder. Area of metal sheet is rectangular in shape. Area of rectangle is L into B, and total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h plus r. Let us substitute all the given things. Length we have to find, minimum length. Breadth is given 100 centimeter. 2 into pi into r is 10. H plus r is 35 plus 10. When we have to find length, 2 into 22 by 7 into 10 into 45. इस 100 को जब यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई से दूसरी साइड शिफ्ट करेंगे, it will be in division. Now let us find what is the value of the length of the metal sheet by solving it. Cancelling, you may do it yourself. 5 into 9, it will come in decimal. So after solving this, we are getting 28.29, and rounding off, because this 29 is less than 5. 0.29 is less than 0.5, no? So the round off to nearest centimeter, nearest whole number. Decimal हमें पूरा remove करना है. अगर डेसिमल 0.5 या उससे बड़ा होता है तो हम 29 लिखते, बट क्योंकि ये उससे छोटा है, सो द नियरेस्ट पॉसिबल सेंटीमीटर इन द होल नंबर इज़ 28. सो द लेंथ वी हैव गॉट इज़ 28. द क्वेश्चन इज स्टिल नॉट ओवर. लेंथ वी आर डन विद. ऑल्सो फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ शीट एट रेट ऑफ ₹56 पर मीटर. 56 per meter. So meter also we need to convert into centimeter. Now cost of single sheet, एक sheet की cost क्या है, is ₹56 per meter, which is equivalent to 56/100 centimeter. And cost of a sheet which is 28 centimeter in length will be 56/100 into 28. So the cost will come out to be 15.68 rupees. So we are done till here. Still one important part is left. Find the area of metal sheet required if 10% of it is wasted in cutting and overlapping. Now this we shall understand. 10% of the sheet is used in cutting and overlapping. That means हमारे पास एक रेक्टेंगुलर शीट है जिससे हमने सिलेंडर बना दिया, and some portion 10% of the total area of this is used in cutting and overlapping. That means is been wasted. Waste हो गया वो पेपर. Now what actually the question is find the area of metal sheet. हमारे पास एक सिलेंडर है, एक गिफ्ट रैपिंग पेपर है जिसको हमने इस सिलेंडर से कवर किया. आफ्टर कवरिंग इट थोड़ा बहुत वेस्ट भी हुआ. सो टोटल रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द शीट कितना होगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू फाइंड टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर which we have actually found in the previous part, that is 2 pi r into h plus r. So 2 pi r into 45, this was coming out to be 19800 upon 7 centimeter square. जितना भी सिलेंडर का एरिया है उस एरिया का 10% वेस्ट हो गया. तो अब वेस्ट कितना हुआ? 10% ऑफ द टोटल सरफेस एरिया. सो दैट इज 10 अपॉन 100 इंटू 19800 अपॉन 7. 1980 upon 7 centimeter square area of the sheet got wasted. इतने का शीट सिलेंडर बन गया और इतना वेस्ट हो गया. सो टोटल शीट का एरिया कितना होगा? टोटल शीट एरिया विल बी 19800 जो सिलेंडर बना है प्लस जो वेस्ट हो गया, कंबाइन करके वी विल गेट द एरिया ऑफ द शीट. सो द सम इज 21780 अपॉन 7 which is 3111.4 centimeter square, and if we round off it will be 3111 centimeter square approx. So I hope second part is clear, because second part is the only most important part. Rest the question was simple as the others. Now the next question is, find the volume of the largest cylinder formed when a rectangular piece of paper, see small cutout of a paper I have taken, 44 and 33 are the dimensions, is rolled along its shorter side. अब इन दोनों में से छोटी वाली साइड कौन सी है? Shorter side is this. Rolled along the shorter side means the rolling is like this, and there should be no overlapping. It should be exactly like this. Only then the largest cylinder will be formed. This should touch this, and since this is rolled along the shorter side, so this portion, this length of arc is going to be 33, and this length of arc is actually circumference. Circumference will become 33 in the first part, and using circumference we will find out radius. So radius from here will be 33 upon 2 into pi, value of pi 2 into 22, and 7 will go up. So 11 into 2, 11 into 3, 21 upon 4. Now we need to find the volume, so we need height also. Again looking in the same cutout, we have rolled it along 33 centimeter, the shorter side. Roll करने के बाद what is this height of cylinder? This height is going to be 44 centimeter. So height is 44 centimeter. Now we have the radius, we have height, we can easily find the volume by pi r square h. 22 by 7 r square into h 44, and after solving this you will get 3811.5. Please do the calculation all by yourself, not using a calculator. Second part, when the sheet is rolled along the longer side. अब इस तरह से रोल ना करके, longer side 44 है, यहाँ से रोल करेंगे, and रोल करने के भी देखो बहुत सारे तरीके होते हैं. When we roll it like this, तब circumference हमें नहीं मिलेगा. वी नीड द लार्जेस्ट सिलेंडर. लार्जेस्ट के लिए वी हैव टू रोल इट विदाउट एनी ओवरलैपिंग, एग्जैक्टली लाइक दिस. दिस इज़ द लार्जेस्ट सिलेंडर फॉर्म. इसका वॉल्यूम सबसे ज़्यादा आएगा. सो नाउ वी हैव रोल्ड अलॉन्ग द लॉन्गर ग्रेटेस्ट साइड 44. सो नाउ द सर्कमफ्रेंस इज 44 and the height of the cylinder so formed is 33. Now using circumference we will find out r. It will come out to be 7 centimeter. Using h and r, we will find the volume. Pi r square h, 22 by 7, r square into h, 33. So the answer after this will be 5082 centimeter cube. Must mention the unit in the end. I hope this is clear. A piece of paper rolled along the shorter side and the longer side. Shorter side में roll करना है, इस तरह से करेंगे. Longer side में roll करना है like this, without overlapping. Overlap करने के बाद सिलेंडर छोटा हो जाएगा और इसकी वॉल्यूम लार्जेस्ट नहीं आ पाएगी. So we have to roll it without overlapping like this. With this, now you may try some questions yourself. Now understand that quality is more important than quantity. जितने questions आप कर रहे हैं अपने बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए, वो सारे questions आपको आने चाहिए. Not the topics, not the questions but the topics you should focus on. टॉपिक समझ में आ जाएगा. ट्राई 4-5 questions related to it. Don't go by doing each and every question. सारा करने से क्वालिटी किसी में नहीं आ पाएगा. You maintain quality in whatever you are doing. That is my advice. So stay tuned for the upcoming cylinder questions. Thank you.